Okay guys, so this is part 2 of my effort to make my 2020 Christmas village. Things are a bit messy pa. Ayan, nagkalat siya. Meron pa akong stand for my movie, my Netflix. Ayan. So it's kind of topsy-turvy with all the rulers, masking tapes, the styros. Ito po, gagawin ko siyang what do you call this? Natangtay ako. I'm gonna make this poste. So, imagine this, magiging poste sila later on. There's the scissors and the printouts and everything in between. Ayan, there's my other phone. So, I hope you guys are as excited as I am when we finally hit off the part 2 of this one. Definitely tatapusin natin to. So, here goes! Hello everyone! So, nandito na tayo sa ating part 2. Yes, we are here at the part 2 of our efforts to make our Christmas village. So, nakikita natin, nakagawa na po ako ng aking do-it-yourself na ilog or a Christmas river. So, ano ba? Focus natin. Ito ay gawa sa, I printed, naghanap ako sa Google ng parang effect ng, ng water. And ano yung ginamit ko dito? Gumamit po ako ng mga blue color na para siyang plastic folder. You can find it sa mga bookstores. Ayan. So, kailangan creative ka lang talaga. Ayan. Meron din akong ginawang maliliit na mga lancha. Hindi ko pa masyadong napaganda ngayon. Likewise, I also have boats, parang Burnham Park feels. And of course, ayan na yung mga bahay. There you go. There's the church. There's the Christmas house. There's another, it's actually the wedding church for Pasko. Oo, sabi nila when I got it from the mall. Ayan. Syempre, meron tayong, the Christmas tree gift. Actually, it's the gift Christmas tree kasi nandito lahat yung mga gifts natin. Kung napansin nyo, gumagamit ako ng ayan, ang tawag dito cardboard pointer para mas madali ang illustration ko. So, ito naman, it's the mansion. I don't know kung sino magmamay-ari nito later on sa aking mga friends. Okay, let's go to the marketplace. Of course, ito yung gift, there's the gift shop. There's the Christmas house again. And there's another gift shop here. This one is the general merchandise. So cute, diba? Ito naman po, ginamitan ko po ito ng styrofoam. Ayan. So, kailangan ang gamit po dito, we have styrofoam. Irregular shapes po ng styrofoam. Pwede niyo po silang pagkabit-kabitin para super nice, 'di ba? Kailangan creative ka talaga.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I am back. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa isang area kung saan ginamitan ko din siya ng styrofoams and then gumamit po ako ng gold na spray paint. Oo, mas madali kasing gumamit ng spray paint when you are doing artworks. So, the rule of the game po, when you are doing a design, be creative. Huwag kang mag-focus sa isang team lang. Kailangan versatile yung mind mo when it comes to conceptualizing, of course, yung iyong village. For this year, 2020, I am doing, yes, I have finally decided to do yung ating plantita village. Hindi ko pa po nilagay yung aking mga plants kasi hindi pa siya totally tapos. Kagaya nito, hindi siya dapat andito. So, tatanggalin ko muna siya. Okay, so there you go. And then, of course, we have the purple angel up. And as you can see, sa ating, actually, you can buy this sa mall. Oh, I think it's 90 per meter yata. I forgot the tawag nito. Ginagamit nito sa damit eh. Ayan. So, this one, mga sprinkles na yan ng styro para to create an effect of snow falling. Ayan. Ito naman, nabili ko glass Christmas tree. That was like 2 years ago. Namakyaw ako ng ganito. This one, ang bahay na ito, umiilaw po siya. Meron siyang battery. And you can very well appreciate it later on kapag pinailawan na po namin ito. So, ito, parang bundok-bundukan siya. The snow mountain, of course. May ilaw din ang bahay na to. Then, moving forward, dito na tayo sa ating, of course, this is the candy house. Meron din po yan ilaw. Yes. Lighted din yan thanks to the battery. And of course, this one, nirehash ko siya. This is, the original color of this is white. This is made of styrofoam din. Dinesign ng aking editorial cartoonist na si Ralph way back. It was like, I forgot na. Matagal-tagal na din, mga 2 years ago or 3 years ago. So, dito po, ilalagay ko po ang mga maliliit na Santa Claus na nag-i-ski pababa. Isn't it great? Tapos ginaguardian sila ng maliit na, ano ba to? Duwende ba to? Diba? And yes, ito na yung ating swimming pool. Diba? Nisprinklean ko na siya ng madaming snowflakes to create the white Christmas feels. Plantita white Christmas feels. So, ayan. Kagaya ng sabi ko, ginamitan ko to ng blue. Nag-print muna ako sa bond paper. Nasa loob nito. Kulay blue na parang effect ng water. And then, sinapawan ko siya ng blue na plastic folder. Okay. If you don't know what it is, I'm gonna show you a sample para alam po ninyo. Ito po yung dating gamit ko. Pwede nyo pong bilhin yan sa mall. Ginamit ko na to and hindi ko na gustong gamitin kasi medyo ano na siya. So, bumili ako ng panibago. And of course, yung ating, sabi ko nga sa inyo, no, para alam nyo yung ginagawa ninyo. This one, na binili natin sa mall, ito siya. Yes, you can buy this in the mall per meter. So, mura lang siya. Madami ka nang makre-create na mga designs out of that. You can make it like backdrop or pwede mo rin siyang gawing floor ng iyong Christmas village. Kagaya nito, Yan. Ayan, madami pa akong materials na hindi na itayo. Ito lahat to, mga produkto yan lahat ng aking mga, for the past years. There you go. So, continue tayo sa ating paggawa pamaya-maya. Okay guys, I am back. I really devoted this time para hindi na ako magpuyat sa gabi para matapos lahat ang aking obra. Obra daw, Kunin ulit natin yung stick natin. Okay. So, I'm calling this area the Candy Village kasi these are made of pretty nice ceramic. Diba? Pretty siya talaga. And of course, yung mga effects natin, mga snowflakes. Of course, we have Santa here. And we have the senior citizens. Diba? And yes, ayan. Marami siyang snowflakes. Ang mga to po, binili ko na lang din yan sa mall, of course. This one, kasabay nito. Okay, the Candy Village. And, the newest addition sa ating Christmas village, of course, yung aking mansion. There you go. I got it from a sale. So, medyo nagbagsak presyo sila, kaya bonggang-bongga ang mansion, 'di ba? Ayan, meron tayong 2 little girls na nagbabantay. And of course, the highlight of my Christmas village is of course, yung ating Belen. Hindi pwedeng mawala ang Belen. Kulang pa yan. I haven't really finalized kasi there will be, backdrop sa likod and of course, mga lights. Kasi syempre highlight natin si Papa Jesus during Christmas. Ayan, meron din siyang hagdanan pababa. And syempre, ito po, gawa din siya sa styrofoam with matching spray paint. And of course, we have another big house here. Oo, isa din to sa mga medyo mahal na nabili ko. The snow house. Meron din po siyang, ang significant dito is meron siyang mga songs, meron siyang music. Yes, social siya. Aside from my lights, kapag in-on mo na siya, tumutunog siya. Marami siyang Christmas songs. I think there are 10 Christmas songs. Ayan. And so, there you go. Ayan. Galing na tayo dyan kanina. Now, let's move to our highlight. Of course, ito na. Bago ko ilagay yung ating gate, yung ating arko para sa ating village, of course, this is the plaza. Ito po yung ating mga trains. I don't know if gagana pa ito. Nagkakaproblema yung battery pack, yung battery area niya. And then, of course, we have this, this nice, mga Santa Claus decors dito. And ito po, bakit may ganito, is because I'm gonna put little Santas na umaakyat. And of course, this is our, the bigger Christmas house that we have. And of course, meron tayong telephone booth. There you go. Feeling mo talaga nasa plaza ka. And syempre, meron tayong snowman sa loob. Kanina ko lang ginawa ito. I just printed the bricks from my computer. And I used photo paper para shiny siya. And then I created I put yung release ng fan sa taas. It's just small. Hindi ko na po pinalaki kasi kulang na talaga yung area dito. So ito po gumagalaw siya. Paandarin natin later on. And yun. So meron siyang posting 4. There you go. Para dyan siya sa taas to create the effect na meron pa rin siyang highlight. This one naman, actually last, I think that was like, 2 years, a year ago, I really used the biggest train. Medyo mahaba kasi siya. So, hindi kakasya dito sa terrace ko. So, I just decided to use the smaller trains. I have 3 klase ng trains kasi. Itong 2 lang ang dinisplay ko. And of course, ma-appreciate natin sa mga reels. We have the snowflakes. Ayan. So, I hope you guys enjoy later on. Sa part 3 na po ang lighting. Okay. So, babalikan natin para ma-appreciate. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for viewing. And before we go, one more round para sa inyong lahat.
A few moments later.
And so guys, I am back para sa ating final roundup ng ating Christmas village, which I was able to accomplish for like 5 days. 5 days prior to the lighting. So ayan po siya. There's the Candyland. There's the mansion. And of course, there's the Belen, our manger. We have the big house. We have the swimming pool, of course, and the Candyland house. We have the angel, and of course, we are going back sa ating plaza. There you go. Slowly going there. So, mas bibo na to when we are able to put all the little Santa Clauses na magiging tao ng Christmas village natin. So, there you go. So, I'm just using a selfie stick to be able to capture everything. Okay. And of course, guys, later on, I'm gonna take nice photos, still photos of each area. So, once again, guys, thank you so much for joining me sa aking Christmas village journey. And I hope you guys watch out for the lighting ceremony ng ating mini Christmas village. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys be inspired to do your own mini Christmas village at home. Oo, hindi lang sa home, pwedeng sa office, pwede din sa mga opisina ninyo, o pwedeng sa kwarto ninyo. It doesn't have to be really big. It just has to be pleasant looking. It just has to be full of love. And so once again, this is Pam. Please hit like, share, and subscribe to Pam Perales Official. Thank you so much, guys!